Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and we are now in Corey's room, I think. Can you tell me, John, what you were telling me before about this wall?
Well, what happened, the bottom plate in here is rotted out. Maybe some of the joists. See, if you look at this, you can see the wall moving. See the crack down there? And the same thing over here. So whatever's happened, it's rotted out enough to where it's come apart. So the sheetrock's going to have to come off, and then there's studs coming down. You have to cut them off a little ways, probably about this height or something, and a couple, three of them, and then run a new 2x6 across there, and maybe a couple of them, and you know, and do whatever you have to do underneath it to fix it. And,
okay, and you said down in here somewhere when you tore the carpeting out this
there was a hole. There was a hole. So there's been a lot of moisture coming in. Now whether the moisture's come in through here and ran down, I don't think it's come down the wall, because you would have water stain all over here. So I don't know if the J-mold around the window is bad and it's catching the water and just dumping it behind stuff. I don't know where the problem's coming, but I know what we got to do.
Okay, well,
it's probably a 3-4 hour job to fix it.
Right.
I mean, to put the structure back together and sheetrock it, then you have to tape it and stuff, which would be more, you know, coming back.
Yeah.
But you're going to learn to do that, so that'll be all right. This is where the joists are. Your joists are like this far apart, and your subfloor is doing this underneath here, and that's why I put this out here, because if I started over there, the seam would have been here, and it would have been really weak right here.
Okay.
So that's why I did what I did, because the seam here is going to end up being right here, which will be out of the walkway. So that's the best we can do.
Okay.
For the situation.
All right.
So, what I'd like to do, I'd like to get this sheet cut and 2 sheets cut in there. And I think I want to go in there and work, because I can get more done in there in a shorter period of time.
Say hi to my friend. Okay, so that's my update on what's going on here at the new little Whitehouse that is turning out to be crazy. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.